Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Should we start?
Yeah, we'll start now.
Okay.
I'm sharing the screen now. I will start now, children. Fine. So you can see the question number 9th of exercise 6.2. We're just doing the triangles part. Okay, children. This is 6.2, exercise 6.2, question number 9th is on our screen. Just try once, all of you children, how to do this question. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC. Trapezium. You should make trapezium over here. So how the trapezium will looks like? Make one line. Then second line. Then this is a trapezium, right? So ABCD. ABCD. ABC trapezium, which is AB is parallel to CD and diagonal, and its diagonal intersect each other at point O. Diagonal intersect at point O. This is diagonal. This is a second diagonal. And this intersects at point O. This intersects at point O. Show that AO by BO. To prove AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. We have to prove this. Okay. So how we have to prove, children, here? Do you have any idea about this question? How to prove this? AO by BO is equals to
Line.
we have to
Line.
you have to draw a parallel line, right?
Yes.
Means you meant to say here. Correct. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
So this is, let the line be A, B, C, D, let it be E and F. So this is also parallel to
Yeah,
AB as well
EF
as,
is parallel to both AB and CD.
yes. So here construction is, you have to write construction over here. Draw EF such that parallel to AB and parallel to CD. Then AO and DO in triangle DAB, if you see, now proof we do here. In triangle DAB, okay. In triangle DAB, EO is parallel to AB, right? So we can write it as DO by OB is equals to DE by EA. Can we write like this, children? See, this by this is equals to this by this. You can just draw the, if any line is parallel, this is BPT, right? Do you know this, Chanchal? If this is a figure over here, ABC, DE is the line between, we can write AD by DB is equals to what? AE by EC. If D is parallel to BC. Do you know this, Chanchal? Can you hear me? All of you on the camera, children, Chanchal, Adarsh, Praharsan, Samarth. So see here, DO by
Sir,
O, what
your
happened?
voice.
Voice is breaking. 1 minute. Which thing is connected? Yeah. voice is breaking still. My voice is breaking, children. Samar,
Now it's
Yes, sir.
no, sir.
is it breaking? My voice is breaking, Adarsh.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. This is the first one. In triangle, suppose in triangle, we take now this other triangle. BDC. BDC. BO by OD. Here we should write DO by OB, right? So here BO by OD is equals to BF by FC. BF by FC. So this is the second equation. So we have to AO by BO. You should do now. See here, BO by OD is mentioned over here. So we can write OD by BO is equals to BF by FC. We can reciprocal. We can do here because here also is DO by OB and here also is DO by OB. This is DO only. Okay, DO or OD both are same only. 1 minute. I'll erase this. OD. So these both are same over here. If you see, if this both are same, can we write like that? DE divided by EA is equals to BF divided by FC. Can we write like this? But CO and DO we should write here. So how we write here CO by DO in this case? So we have to do in some other way, right? We have to bring AO, BO, CO and DO. So 1 minute. So what we can do? Do you have any other idea, children? How to do this question? We can't do like this, right? So we have to consider such a way that AO by BO means AO should come, BO should come, then CO, DO, CO and DO should come. So we have to do in this way.
Sir, we can do it by taking the triangles, sir, ADO and
1 minute.
ADC and ADO. Both the EO is parallel in both.
Okay,
And
fine.
sir, yeah, it will be common AE by DE and AO by just a minute.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Yeah, AO by DO. And in the other, it will be AO by OC. And sir, they both will be equal. We will change the places. And we will get the answer by cross multiplication.
See, first we have to get AO like this. We should get AO by BO is equals to CO by DO, correct? So AO by BO is equals to what we can write? AO by BO. Or this is DO, no? Or we can write in other way also. AO by CO is equals to BO by DO. This also we can write. So AO and CO is coming in which diagram? We should try to understand here. In this triangle, correct? This triangle, if you take either to take ADC or you take CBA, both AO by CO is coming. How BO by DO is coming? BO should come here and DO is coming here, right? Which two triangles we should consider over here? Tell Samarth, which two triangles we should consider?
Which two triangles, sir? Yeah, ADB and the other is
ADB. ADB. Yeah. Triangle, same thing.
Yeah.
We have to. Is
and ADC.
ADB and ADC.
Yeah.
ADC. Okay. So in ADB, what do we get? AE by ED is equals to AO by OC, right? AO by OC. In triangle AD, this is ADB or ADC. This is ADC I written here. One minute. This one ADB. In ADB, we have to write DE by EA is equals to DO by OB. DO by OB, right? And ADC. In this triangle, we can write same thing. AE by ED is
Sir, I
equals
got the
to
answer, sir. It's
AO by
too
OC.
simple.
Yeah, it's correct only. So,
Yeah.
or we can write here, ulta we write here, EA divided by AE is equals to OC by AO. Now see, both are same here. In this case, what is happening here? This one, what is this? DE AE by AD, no? ED. AE, same thing. This is both are same only. ED, this E I have written, no? This is ED. ED. ED by AE is equal to, then you can write here DO by OB is equals to OC by AO. Then on cross multiplication, you will get whatever you want. Okay. You can write here AO by AOB, AO by OB, AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. So proved. Is it clear? How to think you understood, children? Because see, BO and DO and AO, BO, CO, DO should come together. So that you should take, and one side will be equal, then only you can write this. Okay. If it is not equal, you can't write. So this is ED. So next question, question number 10th, all of you do question number 10th. Question number 10th. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect at point
Sir,
O.
Sir, it's just opposite of the question, right?
What? Chanchal?
thank you, sir. I need to take a screenshot.
Acha.
Done, sir.
Sir, the 10th question is just the converse of ninth question, right?
Yeah, converse of 9th question. So this we just put, this is our homework. You can do it at home. Okay. Now we'll start 6.3.
Yes.
We'll do 6.3 now. Six. See what is coming here. Okay. Now you know the congruency, similarity, you know, so the similarity visual criteria are there, children. All of you know, right? Similarity criteria. See, all last class I have taught you already. There are 4 kind of similarity you have. Means by the 4 thing you can just tell that these triangles are similar and all. Okay. So tell me the criteria. Anyone knows? Criteria is SAS, SSS, AA, and AAA, right? These are the criteria which you are having for similar. These are the criteria for similar triangles. Criteria for similar triangles. Okay. Criteria for similar triangles. So question number 1. You should tell which of the which pair of the triangles are similar. Okay. Which of the pair of triangles are similar? Can you see the question on the board? Can you see the question on the screen, children? Okay. So question number 1 is this figure is just now I'm just putting here. These all are the figures. See, which of the following pairs are similar triangles? See question number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Huh? First one is similar. By which criteria? AAA. Okay. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by AA similarity. Okay, next question. These both triangles are similar or not? So this is similar. Then tell about second. Huh?
So the first and the fourth one are similar.
First and fourth are similar. So tell me,
Yes, sir.
fourth, what you can write? Which triangle is similar to what? That you should tell. This is very important to write this one, how to write this question, okay? So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, okay? Like this, you just tell me for fourth triangle, how do you write? If these both triangles are similar, in which way you write? See, angle 70 and 70 is matching over here. This is 2.5, this is 5. Means ratio is 1/2. Here ratio is 1/2 again, right? So if you want to draw the triangle like this, okay, same triangle, this is 70. So here is coming Q. And here 2.55, that this is P and this is R, correct? This is 5 and here 10 should come then, right? So QR is not 10, so this is wrong. This is not similar. Samarth, how you are saying this is similar? Samarth, how these both triangles are similar?
Fourth one was similar.
Huh?
The fourth one you are saying.
Yeah.
Okay.
70
Yes,
is
sir,
coming this
they are not
side.
similar.
Huh?
Yeah. They are not similar.
They are not similar, right?
Yeah.
If 2 point is coming here, the 10 is coming this side. If you bring this side, it may come this
The
try.
hypotenuse must be 10 here.
It may become, you can, this is not hypotenuse, this is not 90 degree. You can just draw like this.
I was just saying that the longest side. PR must be 10 sir.
So this
Then
is
after
QR. If I'm writing here Q and here if I write P and here R. So QR is how much? 10, right? And it is 5. It's similar, right? It's similar, no? See? But you should tell that triangle MNL is similar to triangle QPR. Okay, you should write in this way. Is it clear? You should write in different way over here, children. You should write in different way. Samarth, just try once again. Just see whether this is both are similar or not. This both are similar. The case is that you should write in different way. Huh?
Sir, the fourth one are not similar. The first is similar and
no, fourth one is similar.
The second one are also similar.
Fourth is similar, Samarth. See once again. Fourth one is similar. M, N, L. You can draw like this. Q, P, and R. QP is 5. QR is 10. And ratio is what? 1/2, 1/2. So by side, angle side. This is what? Proportional,
But
similar.
the position of this that sides are not equal, right? The 2.5 is going with 10 and 5 is going with 5, so it's not.
No, see here, 2.5 is going with 5 only here. See, and 5
Sir,
is
if
going with.
we just imagine if this 70 degree from the triangle PQR, this 70 degrees goes up to the top. Q goes at the top in place of P. So, sir, 10 will be in place of PQ and 5 will be in place of PR.
See
So, sir,
how you are exposing
then
it. See, I'm just telling you, you are doing like this. It's not working properly today. This is P, this is Q, this is R. So what I'm doing is you take this point. I'm just putting here some other point. 1 minute. This point you keep it here in this corner. This corner you keep. Okay. This P you keep in this corner. And this Q just reverse. This Q just you can reverse this whole thing. No, this only you just take the tip and bring it here. You can't do like this. Samarth. This tip of P, you bring it here. The how it looks like QR is on the top like this, and P is coming like this. Correct or not? You are getting? Can you hear me? Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So you're not understanding, Samarth. Still, Drishi, it's clear to you why this is similar.
Yes, sir.
What about question? This one, figure number 2. What about figure number 2? Figure 2 is similar or not? Figure 2 is similar or not?
Sir, it is similar.
It is similar. 4, 6, 5. So which triangle is similar to what? What you should name the triangle? That you tell me. Two triangles are similar.
QRP equals to CBA.
QRP is equals to CBA.
Yes, sir.
Okay. C and B. If you see C and B, 2.5 is there. So Q and R, what is there? Q and R 4 is there, correct? So ratio is, I don't know which ratio is there. 2.5 divided by 8 is coming. Now AB ratio is 2. And here RP ratio is what? What is RP ratio? 5. So this ratio, this is not proportion. So this is not equal. This is wrong. This is wrong. What you are saying, the triangles, these two triangles are wrong. Then you should name it proper. Naming is only wrong. Praharshan, can you hear me? Praharshan.
Yes, sir.
Which two triangles are similar? Means what to name. The important part is what to name the triangles so that they become similar.
CBA and PRQ.
CB and PRQ.
CBA and PRQ.
CBA and PRQ. So CB is 2.5. PR is, this is 2.5. PR is 5. BA is 2. And RQ is 4. RQ is 4. CA. AC is 3. Like this. This is clear. So you should write here triangle CBA is similar to triangle PRQ by SSS similarity. By SSS similarity. Hey, what nonsense is this? It's coming. Now, what about question number 3? Third part of it. Is it same or different? Third one is similar or not? Third one is not similar. Okay.
No, sir, it's not. It's incorrect. 2.7 is not equal to 9.
Now question this fifth part of it, I'm just pasting over here. Fifth and sixth. Couldn't paste this. It's stating that. Couldn't paste. Question number fifth and sixth. Paste it here. Huh. Tell me, what about question number fifth and sixth?
Sir, it's similar. The fifth one.
Fifth one is similar. Yes. No, it's not similar. How say it's similar, Drishi? By which
Oh, yeah,
congruence?
sir, it's not similar.
See, this angle is here between two sides. This angle is between two sides, right? And this angle is between where? Outside only. So it's not similar at all. What about last one? Similar, right?
Sir, it's similar.
So directly we can write DEF is similar to triangle PQR. The triangle DEF. This is 30 degree. Here also 70 degree. The 70, 80, 30, 70, 80, 30. So triangle DEF is similar to PQR. Directly we can write over here. Now next question is question number second one. This is very easy question. See in this figure 6.35, ODC is similar to OBA. BOC is 125 degree. CDO is 70 degree. We should find DOC, this angle, DCO, this angle, and OAB, this angle. So this is like Bachu sums, right? So no need to, all of you can do this question, children. All of you can do this.
Yes, sir.
So now question number third. Diagonals AC and BD of trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC, right here, trapezium ABCD. So AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD in which diagonal AC and BD, AB is parallel to DC, intersect at point O. Using similarity, the same thing what we have done before, same thing we can do over here also. Is it clear? Same ditto question, no change?
Yes.
Okay, next question number fourth. Fourth is bit small trick is there in question number fifth. In figure 6.36, QR by QS is equals to QT by PR. And angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Show that PQS is similar to TQR. Can you see the figure here? In this figure, QR by QS. QR by QS is equals to QT by PR, and angle 1 is equals to angle 2. So that means this both triangle, you take it separately, okay? What you are having these two triangles, this both triangles, you try to make it separate, because we have to, what we are going to prove the triangles, these two triangles is right here separately. First you write PQS exactly as per this, PQS. Exactly what is given in the question, PQS, and don't see the shape of TQR. Simply you copy this diagram again here only, okay? And what you should write here is PQS. So you write here TQR in the same pattern, okay? Now you see the question. Angle 1 is equals QR by QS. QR by QS. It means QR by QS is equals to QT by PQ. QT by PR. Huh? QT by PR is saying. So PI is not here, right? So this you can't write only in the diagram. This and this is given to us. Now angle PQS or R, this both are same only, okay? Now QT, where is QT here? QT, complete this, and PR, this one, PR and QT, PR. So by which similarity we can prove this two diagram, children? Tell me. QR by QS is equals to QT by PR. PR. QT and PR. How they're comparing here? PR. Anyone having the clue how this we can just show in the diagram or something like that? QT, this complete QT they are saying. QT and QP they should give actually here. Here the question is correct. See the textbook, children. QT is there or QP is there? Just see the diagram over there in the textbook. It's QT or QP. QT and PQ should be given. PQ and PR. Okay, children. Understood. What is given here? See. Here in the question it's given that PQ, this one, this angle 1 is equals to angle 2, right? Angle 1 is equals to angle 2. It means that this side and this sides are what? Equal, correct? Means we can write here PQ is equals to PR, okay? PQ is equals to what? PR. So they have given here QT is QT by PR. So instead of PR, we can write PQ also. So this also we can write. This both are equal. So right here in triangle PQS and triangle TQR, PQ is equals to TR. Angle PQS is equals to angle TQR. And again, you can write QS is equals to QR. So by side, angle, side. This is side only, angle, side. And this is what? This is given the question as you can write PQ is equals to TR. Sorry, PQ is equals to PR given. This angle is also given. And QS is equals to QR. This is given. So by which similarity? By side, angle, side, triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. So mainly here thinking point here is PQ is equal to PR, we have to think. Is it clear? PQ is equals to PR, we have to think over here, this part. If you can't think, this question is, you can't do matlab. This one, how it is coming to equal to this, that is most important in this question. Is it clear, Samarth? Is it clear to you?
Same from the angles read 1 and 2.
Angle 1 and 2.
Sir, I was saying that the same could be done as angle 1 and 2 are equal, and sir, the opposite sides are also equal. So
Obviously.
PS is equal to QP.
PS is equals to QP.
Yes, we can get it from there also. And
PS is equal to QP. PS is coming here. PS is coming here, no? PS is this. PS is not.
PR equals to QP.
PR is equals to PQ, you are saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, these two sides are equal. Yeah, correct. But from there also you can tell, correct. So if these two angles are equal, this also we can say this both sides. Okay, fine. So PQ is equals to PR is given. So this both we can write. So here there is no use of this line then, right? This line is not having any use, correct? By this only we can write. So let's do question number 5. Anyone having doubt in this?
No, sir, no doubt here. You can go to
Chanchal, you understood the question?
Yes, sir.
So this is T, Q, and R. Now question number 5th. 5th is very easy question. You can do from home. 5th and 6th. 6th I'll do here. 7th.
You can give a homework.
Complete home.
Sir, you can do. You can give that 5th and 6th at homework. They are not so.
So which one I should do now? 7th one. Samarth?
Yes, sir. You can do the 7th one, sir.
Fine. Okay. 7th one we do now. So I'm writing here, children. You also write in that notebook. If you can do 5th, 6th is your homework. Okay. Now I'm doing 7th one here. Figure 6.38. So this is the figure. .38. In figure 6.38, altitude AD and CE of triangle ABC. Why it's not happening like this? So altitude AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at point P. So AEP is similar to CDP. You have to prove first this one. AEP, how it looks like? AEP. So in the given figure, all of you try this, children. All of you try. Altitude AD and CE means these all are 90 degree over here. Of triangle ABC intersect each other at point P. Okay. Show that AEP. Draw the here drag first one. If you want to do AEP, you draw AEP. This triangle you draw over here. Name it as AEP. Same you copy here also. And name it as CDP. CDP. So what is given in the question here? Angle E is equal to angle D, right? Then angle, this is vertically opposite angles. This angle P and this P is what? Vertically opposite angle. These both angles are vertically opposite angles. This is vertically opposite angle. These both angles are vertically opposite angles. So by AA similarity got proved. Okay. By AA similarity, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Second part. Chanchal, how to prove the second question? Tell me here. ABD, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. How to prove? Chanchal, tell me. How should I start this question? Chanchal, we are not able to hear you. What you're saying?
Can I tell?
Okay, tell, Samarth.
Okay, so here are 290 degrees in the triangles. Angle
Wait,
B.
let me just draw the diagram. This become easier. If you draw the diagram
Sir,
once, no.
diagram is below there, right? Figure 6.38.
Yeah, from there only. I'm just drawing the diagram. ABD. I'm drawing this one. ABD. I'll just draw in the same way.
So you are drawing individually.
Individually, yes.
Yeah.
So ABD. This is 90 degree over here. And we should copy the same diagram here. Like I should write here ABD. The same thing we should write CBE. And E is also 90 degree, right? Now next you tell. Tell Samarth. After this, what you should do?
Yeah, we got here, sir. We got 90 degrees common. You see, angle D and E, and sir, angle B is common, so it will be similar by double A criteria.
Yeah, angle B is equal to angle B common here. Angle B is equals to angle B common, and angle ADB is equals to angle CDB, 90 degree. So by AA similarity, the second part also happened. What about third one? Drishi, Rashul.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell third one by which criteria we can do? Third question. AEP. We are talking about
Sir, it's same like the second one, right? Here.
AEP, this one, and
And
ADB.
the larger one,
ADB complete.
Yeah.
Yeah, same. Angle B is common, you are saying, right? No.
Angle A is common, sir.
Angle A is common, yes.
Yeah, and 90 degrees.
Yes, angle A and 90. Angle A, this also is angle AA only. So shall I solve this third part, or you understood? Adarsh, can you do this question by AA similarity? Why am I not able to hear? Others, your sound is not coming here.
Yes, sir.
Sir, all of them are same of the AA criterion, sir.
Last
here in the fourth one, C is common.
PDC and BEC.
And 90 degrees.
EC. Acha. Angle C is common and 90 degree, correct. This is also A. All the exercise of A or what? This whole exercise of A only?
I don't know, sir.
Yeah, they might have given in that way.
So I had never marked this. I just got it solved, without anything.
Okay. Ninth question. All of you try. I just put in here ninth question now. All of you do in the notebook. Just see. Question number 9th. In triangle 6.39. Where is the figure 6.39? So this is 6.39. ABC and AMP are two right triangles, right angled at B and M respectively. Prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. ABC. So by A similarity we can do, right? By A similarity. How? angle M. In this two triangles ABC triangle, angle B is 90 degree and triangle AMP, this is 90 degree. The first angles both are equal, angles are equal 90 degree. And second part, in both this triangle ABC and AMP, angle A is common. Angle A is what? Common. I'm not drawing this again. I mean separate. If you want to draw, you can do that. ABC is in this pattern. ABC. And same thing you copy over here also and name it as AMP. So one B is 90 degree, angle A and angle A common. Now how to prove second part of it? How to prove, Harshan? How to prove second part of it?
Sir, by drawing a parallel line.
Where you should draw parallel lines?
So we can just say that they are congruent parts of similar triangles. That's why they're equal.
Yeah. See, if two triangles are similar, we can write it as they are similar means their sides should be proportional. So we can write here that AB by AM is equals to BC by PM or MP is equals to AC by AP. AC by PA, it's coming anywhere. AC by PA is coming here and BC by MP is coming here. So not required this one. By this one, we can write by CPSTC. Corresponding part of similar triangles are congruent. Why C here writing? What we should tell here, children? CPST only you write, okay? Don't write here CPSTC. Only you write here CPST. Corresponding part of similar triangles. Is it clear, Praharshan? You should not draw anything parallel lines or something like that. If two triangles are similar, you can write in this way, okay? Their sides are also proportional. Next question. Question number 11th. In figure 6.40, E is a point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equals to AC. If AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC, prove that ABC is similar to triangle CECF. 1 minute. It's not coming, no. In figure 6.40, E is the point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equals to AC. If AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC, prove that. See what they're asking, the triangle, both triangle, you just make it separate. This one, both the triangles you just draw separately. ABD, how it looks like? ABD is like this. And then ECF. ECF, your ABD, name it. So this is ABD. ABD. You write ECF. So D and F, these are 90 degrees, right? Next, angle AE. angle B, and angle C. These are isosceles triangle, right? E is a point of side BC produced of an isosceles triangle AB. These two sides are equal. It means that AB is equals to, we can't write, right? If these two angles are equal, with this both angles are equal. This angle B and angle C, right? ECF. The angle B is equals to angle C, right? So by AA similarity, we can say triangle ABD is similar to triangle
Sir, we
EC.
can do it by way, sir. Here, sir, you see, the ABC triangle is divided in two halves. We can prove it. The both triangles are similar. And sir, EFC is similar to ADC, as both are 90-degree and angle C is common. And sir, ABD and AFC are similar.
See here, anything is wrong, you can see in this answer. Samarth, just see.
Sir.
This try what I've done here, anything you are getting doubt over here? Only normal part by A directly we got to answer here. See, yeah, in A, that is also correct. What you are saying, not a problem. Here directly we are getting. If you ABD and ECF, D and F both are 90-degree angles, and angle B is equals to angle C. They have, because due to isosceles triangle over here. Okay. This both angles are equal. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Next question is, this one, 15th one I'm doing right now, 15th. You should draw the diagram. I should solve the question. 15th one. Question B. Oh, yeah. See, a vertical pole of length 6 meter, cast a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time the tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. Okay. So can I do this? Height of the pole of length 6 meter, cast a shadow 4 meter. This is a pole height is 6 and shadow is 4 meter long on the ground. At the same time, tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. How to do this question?
Sir, we can multiply 3 by 2 into 28, sir. So we will get 14 into 3, 7 into 6.
See, if
42.
this
42 is the answer, sir.
How you can say? Because these two triangles would be similar first, right? How to make these two triangles similar?
As they are 90 degrees, and here is the shadow is 4 meter and 28 meter. They both are in ratio, right?
But how is ratio? How this will be ratio? This both will the same ratio. How you can say? Because vertical pole is there. No, the pole will have same same. Vertical pole of length 6 meter. On the same time, tower cast tower, and because sun, this angle will be same only, right? If any sun is there, the shadow of the sun will be what? At the same at every places, right? The first you should write angle from the sun will remains the what? Same, right? So here angle will be same for both the cases. Angle will be what? Same. And here any pole tower or you are having any tower, normal tower, okay? So the degree is 90 degree only. So by A similarity, first of all, this both triangles are similar. Then what we can do, Samarth? 3 by 2, you're saying what?
Sir, we are getting the ratio is 3 by 2, right? There is
Okay.
6 and 4 ratio. So the same ratio will also be in the larger triangle. So we can
Okay.
multiply 28 by 30.
See what we can write here. If both triangles are similar, we can write their sides are also proportional, right? So AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR, we can write. We are not bothering about AC because nothing is known about AC and PR. Now put the
Yes.
value of AB and PQ. AB is 6. PQ is, we don't know, that only we should find, is equals to BC by this one. So PQ is equals to 6 into 28 divided by 4. The 4 sevens are, the answer is 42,
PQ equals to 42.
42 meters.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes,
The
I
first,
got it.
the only objective type questions they will ask, right?
Yes,
In
sir. They can also ask this objective time.
okay. Fine anyway. This is fine. So children, we just till here we have done. We have to do still more. Like next exercise will be based on area of similar figures. Okay. So we'll
Okay.
do that questions in the next class. And one question may come in the board exam also. So today's anyone having doubt, any questions and all, you can ask right now.
No
No,
doubt.
So this is the last question, means last chapter, no, what we have left out for the first term.
Yes, sir. That is the last.
Okay. The next time we do the exercise and then we just do only objective questions. IMO is
Okay.
pending. You can leave for the day, children, then. All of you can
Thank
leave
you, sir.
now. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.